In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Manuka Lab Honey discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Manuka Lab Honey discount code. Scroll down a little bit, and you should be able to find this website which is called Voucher Codes, and you have to open it. So as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes. For example, if you want to get this one with free Meno Hive, all you have to do right here is select get code, and this is your code that you can copy right here, and you can use it on your next purchase in order to get this free Meno Hive. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website called Gnoji, and also you can see right here there are some promo codes also that you can use. For example, if you want to get this one with 10% off, which is also verified, all you need to do is select get this code, and this is the discount code. You can copy this one right here and use it on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.